Are you planning a trip to Italy and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Italy in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. The links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. For Italy, the best eSIM provider I recommend is myMobile. They offer an excellent balance between affordability and ease of use, especially if you want fast speeds and no headaches. My's Italy plans start at $7.19 for 3GB. $8.99 for 5GB, and $13.49 for 10GB, all valid for 10 days. If you need more, there's 20GB for $18.89, 40GB for $29.69, or even unlimited data for just $26.99. All plans are 5G enabled, activate instantly, and don't require an app. You just head to the website, select your destination, pay, and you're online. Super simple and a great option for both short trips and high data usage. Now, if you've already tried Maya or want something with a dedicated app to manage your eSIMs, then Airalo is another great option. Their Italy plans start at $4.50 for 1GB, that's 7 days, then go up to $8 for 2GB, $10 for 3GB, and $14.50 for 5GB. Heavier users can grab 10GB for $24 and 20GB for $33, all valid for 30 days. The Airalo app is beginner friendly, and after purchase, your QR code is delivered instantly. You can also top up right from the app whenever needed. While it's slightly more expensive than Maya at most tiers, the flexibility and longer validity might be worth it for some travelers. Now, let me explain how to get started and claim your bonuses. If you're going with myMobile, just click the link in the description. That will take you to their homepage. From there, type Italy into the search bar and all available plans will show up. Pick the one that suits your trip best. At checkout, you'll automatically see a 10% discount applied. After payment, you'll receive your QR code instantly. Just scan it with your phone camera and your eSIM will activate right away. No app needed. If you prefer Airalo, it's also super straightforward. Click the link in the description to open their site or download the Airalo app. Once you search for Italy, choose your plan and complete the checkout. As long as you use the special link, your 10% discount will be applied automatically. Once paid, the QR code arrives instantly and you're good to go. So, what's the verdict? If you want the best value for your money and a fast, no-nonsense setup, myMobile is the way to go. But if you prefer longer validity and a full-featured app experience, Airalo still delivers a reliable solution. Both links are in the description with active discounts. Choose the one that matches your trip and you'll be connected in Italy in just a few minutes. No roaming fees, no physical SIM card, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.